Traders, I'm looking at silver going right out to the monthly time frame. Accumulation occurred through here, 1M, and what I like to do is work down the time frame, so 1 month, go to the weekly and see if we get an overlap of these accumulation ranges. Okay, so on the weekly, this was our area here, 1W, and I'll color that yellow, no, orange I should say. Okay, so we have a monthly and weekly accumulation zone. Go down to the daily. On the daily time frame we have, well, these levels back here. This was a key level, coincides with this one here, so we've got this nested. I'll just mark them both up because they're both valid. So daily, and we can, well, I mean, this whole range between these three candles, I'll just take this area through here and call that our support zone on the daily. So we've got this nested level mainly with the daily and the monthly. Okay, they interact through here. All right, so we have a key support zone. Now the other thing about this is it has traded into the liquidity under here basically. So it's taken out any sell side liquidity that's been sitting under there, so we could mark that up as a liquidity pool. Have I got that? Bear with me for a sec. Liquidity, yeah, okay. All right, so we have this range through here, a level of interest where this is tapped, and I mean you can see the reaction as it traded in through the sell stops under here. It's traded off with a vengeance. So this is a big level. This is a key support zone. So what we have now is this trend here starting to look compromised. All right, so we have a shift in structure. So we go down to a 4 hour and I'll get a bit closer to it. So let's just do that. I'm looking for a buy opportunity given that we've now broken through this level here. More precisely, if we want to use the diagonal, well, let's just pull it through these three levels here, and we can see. But more importantly, if we mark it up on the chart as a shift in structure here, structure shift, okay, change of character, and then I'm looking at this break of market structure, this high. All right, so that's actually fairly significant. All right, break of structure. Now we have an uptrend potentially, and it won't be confirmed for me until I see this swing low, swing high, price range 4 hour time frame, pull back low to high, retrace down into equilibrium. So this is going to be a point of interest for me here where I'll be looking to potentially get long. Right, so I'll just say POI entry, okay? It's a possible entry, okay? Possible entry. It's not confirmed. So price action has to play out in a certain way for me to be convinced that this is going to be, oh, okay, I've changed it. Entry zone, all right. Yeah, so it trades back down into here, but, what you want to see on the lower time frame will be, and I mean, you could set up a pending order, like a limit buy if you wanted to, but I want to see price action trade favorably. In other words, we get that, and then we see it range, shake out, well, a bit of a breakout, a shake out, and then it trades off with speed and we get the displacement. Right, so something like that, possible entry point, something like that. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at, guys, with the with silver. We can mark that up. All right, that is my take on XAG. Now, I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Definitely comment and leave some ideas below. That would be awesome. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and see you on the next one.